Hello everyone. Flavored rice is all-time favorite, and that too if it is with capsicum, that is so yummy and mouth-watering. So let us see how to prepare this instant capsicum rice bowl. So firstly, you need to take two capsicum. If you have large one, that is enough. One is enough, and then onion, large size. And first you need to cut all the capsicum and onions into cube shape like this, and then put it aside. And the remaining capsicum and onion you need to cut into long slits in thinner shape like this, and also you need to peel carrots in this shape, and also 4 to 5 chilies, and then put it aside. Now take a pan and heat it, and then add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then add all the cube shaped onions and capsicum into it and give it a nice stir. Once you sort this capsicum, add a little bit of salt, that is a pinch of salt, and then again start stirring it nicely, so that after 1 minute your onions and capsicum, see, it will turn into a light brownish color. That is the time you turn off the flame and put them aside. Now again turn on the flame, and then add 4 tablespoons of oil and add all the long slit onion, capsicum, carrot and chilies into it and saute it nicely. Close the lid for 1 minute so that all the capsicum and onion, they turn transparent and nicely fried. Now this is the time you need to give a nice stir again, and then time to add our ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and just give a quick stir, and then cumin powder, and then coriander powder or dhania powder. Just 1 tablespoon is enough. That's it. Now give it a nice stir. Now I have taken 1 cup of rice. So for 1 cup of rice, here I have added 2.5 cups of water. Just add into the pan. So here I have taken basmati rice. You can add accordingly. If you want to skip basmati rice, you can add normal rice also, no issues. Now add salt to taste, adjust accordingly, and then give it a quick stir, and then close the lid and give it a nice boil. Once the water gets boiled, then it is the time you need to add your rice. So after 3 to 4 minutes, your water is boiled nicely. See, like this. Once you get this boil, it's time to add a rice into it. Add gently all the basmati rice into the pan. And once you're done, now take the spatula and just give a gentle stir. Do not stir hardly so that your rice will break. So just give a nice stir, and then close the lid and allow it to cook in a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once 3 minutes are over, see, almost your rice is 70% cooked. Now just give it a nice stir again from top to bottom, and then it's time to add ghee. Ghee I have, this is homemade ghee. For description, for the link, you can find it in the description below. So add ghee over here. This gives nice aroma and also nice taste to our capsicum rice bowl. Spread it nicely, and then again give it a nice stir, and then allow it to cook for 1 or 2 more minutes. And then once the rice is cooked, first we have fried our cube capsicum and onion, so add those on top of it and close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 more minutes and turn off the flame, and that's it. Our capsicum rice bowl is all ready to serve and eat it hot. So this is so simple and so easy. So you to prepare, you can have it directly without any curry, but if you like to have it, you can have it with raita also. So try it and let me know how it turned to you.